Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing a mysterious package from AliExpress. Well, it might not be mysterious for me, but it is certainly mysterious to you. But if you pause the video, actually, you might get a glimpse of what I'm unboxing today. Anyway, without further ado, let's unveil what I've got here. And as always, I've got my trusty knife that I also purchased from AliExpress. Actually, really glad of this knife. It's rugged, well built, and it came with a lot of blades. But this blade is the blade that it came with. I haven't changed it yet. Anyway, let's get back to the package. Wow. So as you can see, Fuzzy Bot rings any bell? Probably not, but it's a Chinese brand, so I've ordered a Chinese something. Now let's try it again. Drums, please. So, moment of truth. Did you guess what's inside here? Or if you haven't, now you should be. You're gonna see what's inside. Ta-da! So I've ordered a rugged smartphone from China. The brand is Fuzzy Bot. It's one of the cheaper brands you can get. You can also get there's a tank phone, but that one is a little bit too pricey for me for now, so I went with this one. So as you can see, the box has a USB-C to USB-C charger, and you get a power brick, something that's rare these days. It's a 30-watt power brick. It says here, I don't know if it's visible, but it's a 30-watt power brick. And then we have the phone itself. Wow, this thing is huge. But we're gonna come back to it. Let's place it on the side. User manual. SIM card tray. That's about it. So let's place those away. Let's get back to the phone. So the phone has a 48 main camera, HD it says. That's the flash right there. 2 cameras and a flash. You have a flashlight right in the back. This is made of metal. It's actually well made. And this is also metal, and the edges are rugged, like rubbery plastic. And here you have the button for the flashlight. The red button is for turning the phone on, maybe? No? Maybe this red button is probably to, you can assign it to whatever you want, I think. And this one here, orange button, flashlight. The texture, red button, you can assign it to whatever you want. SIM card tray. All this part here is a solid metal with screws to get inside the phone. And on the other side you have, this is the power button. I think they should have texturized it as well, so you know it's the power button, but it's far away enough from the volume rocker, up and down. So 2 buttons on each side of the phone. And on top here there's nothing. We already seen the back. And here you have the speaker. And at the back here, that's where you have the USB-C port. There goes to USB-C port. There is no audio jack on this phone. And the display is 6.5 Full HD plus. Front camera is 16 megapixel. The rear camera is 48 and 20 megapixel. So one is 48, one is 28. And it has 8 gigabyte of RAM, but you can increase them up to 15. Why is that? I don't know. Why don't they just put it 15 gigabyte of RAM? It's that I need to figure out how to do that. And then you have a 12,000 milliamp hour inside the phone. This phone is heavy, it's huge. So I believe it's 10,000 milliamp hour. And yes, the brick was 30 watt charging, 30 watt charger. So the speed of the charging, the charging speed is 30 watt. The CPU is a Halo C85 octa-core. So this is a mid-range CPU. IP68 and IP69 waterproof and dustproof. And then of course you have the camping light or flashlight in the back. So those were the spec, and the spec are right here. Are they visible? I just read them from this. Cool. So let's power this thing up. Does it have any juice? Yes, it does have any juice. It does have some juice. With this I did order a case, just a silicone case, you know. I mean, it doesn't hurt with the extra protection. This is metal, so it gets scratched and stuff. So by putting it in here, you get extra protection. But this phone is huge and heavy. So this is a construction phone. Like, this is for construction workers or people who do heavy duty jobs. Because I feel like if you do heavy duty job, you don't want a Samsung Galaxy X25 Plus or Pixel 10 Pro or 9 Pro or iPhone 16. This is or at least you should have 2 phones, right? One a heavy duty that can take a beating, and the other one a pretty thing that doesn't take that much beating. Hi there. All right. So the phone is on. What else did I get? I also get I got the temper glasses. Okay, let's get this thing open. There we go. So we have 2 temper glasses here for the phone that I'm gonna install on the phone. So, and I'm gonna set the phone up and use it. I'm not gonna do it now. So this was just a quick unboxing video. So this is gonna be like my first homegrown Chinese phone, and this comes with this is the global model, which means it has a Play Store and all that, and no restrictions. So I'm gonna set it up and play with it, and yeah, leave a comment below if you want to see a full review of this, how it holds and stuff, and what do you think about these rugged phones. Yeah, this thing is heavy. It's heavy. It's really heavy, but it's well built, you know. It's well built. Alright guys, so that was a short video about the Bolt F106 Pro, the unboxing video. Tune back in to see the review, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and remember to ring the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. If you haven't smashed the like button, do smash the like button, and also do me a favor, leave a comment below as well. If you're too lazy, a thumbs up will be fine, or a smiley. Yeah, and if you watched the whole video, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. Please share the videos with your friends. I have a bunch of other videos on the channel. Go have a look at them, check them out. At the end of this video, there's gonna be a link to a follow-up video from the channel as well. You can click and keep watching. But yeah, I can't wait to test this phone. Alright guys, until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.